People, men I come follow me busher fish. Oh, now this the other fridge midday. As you can see, fish full this house. We be say we don't tire to the eat am for fish. Wait till be this one. Okay, now this one to do bubbles wey dey come gongo. So guys, men I follow me carry fish. This one a stock fish. The one I use remember one day not throw and put side here. When I see the other fridge yesterday, say na still fish full I know they like for my things. So more collect this one because I want to cook one small stew today, fisherman stew. Now I want to cook today, my guys. So collect this big one. Now two collect more fine big one. Woo! Mama mia! Fish where this house now the pieces is 90 pieces. Because why be like that? You say you know go finish those supply us join now. This one too big, more keep am for a small soup, small stew now. One come more find small one join the other big one. My people, sit down still full for fish. Now still freeze our show now yesterday. Fish now still full. See this one. More take this one. Sure. This time black say still too big though. Because things I want you put it make of water. Okay. So guys, now the two fish they use today. So this one are the puree, full puree. Now cut pieces like this. So you know see now this one are goat meat, my people. See this one are turkey. So now I just use today. I'm not sure if I use all this meat finish show. We cannot go to lie. We gonna small stew. I want cook. Okay guys. And I don't see her now. I don't see her. It enter your eye or your wait now. Hello my people. And this still be this so now we add our fishable. All the old fishable. My people now Christmas stew be this one. No, you get to pass this one. You not get to pass this one. No. Now, so they do it gently, make it for not scatterly. So now, so as I speak just now, say I'm not going to use all the whole meats. I'm going to use all of them. So like person they taste it, you go to see what you go to take. Don't be say meat you go cover everything. So my people now, so I don't come out this morning. Go buy this one this morning. So I buy this one this morning now because I will get on finish jumbo. So I come buy this groundnut oil. My people, things they cost. This city right there, na big man city. I can see by this one. We'll use and do tilapia tomorrow. Tilapia fish. What a life.